6 man, leave on.
It's a hookup. Is it a rob then or is it mad?
It's in property.
Where you say? Why you go for
Why you go leave it by us? Why you go leave it by?
Imule, what up guys? It's your boy Nasty J, aka Tito Celebrity Type. I'm popular for this AFE ass. I date my guy here.
LaughDrip Comedies, AK1 more. If you do anything, I go collect.
No, I go collect woto. And I date my man here.
Emmanuel.
Omo guys, like this now, make come on laughing matter aside. Omo, this guy tell me, like the thing touch, even if not me, where this thing happened to, I swear to God, chai. Like this guy thought really touched me. So please, if you're watching this video, please just take your time. Just click the share button, please. Just click the share button. And please, if this is your first time watching on YouTube, please make sure you click the subscribe button. And if this is your first time watching on Facebook, please click the follow button and make sure you share this video. Let me give the guy so that the guy can explain to us the story.
Guy, get one night where I day. So rain come for. I come book one guy. You go out there. From that they drink, poison my drink. I don't know myself again. Carry all my properties, go and get person even give me work like this. I dey expect the person they expect me like this. I don't even know how to forget me again. Day for yesterday, I just come back from placing like this and then they disturb me like this. I don't know how to do. I just dey stranded like this.
Omo. Guy, when I hear wetin talk now, saying just rain just for him book girl. For the tell people, more than they leave woman alone. Fine way, you no get girlfriend.
Guy, I don't know how. Nah,
you no get girlfriend.
I just say man, just last down one.
Okay, one go cheat.
Just say man, just you know how man they be now.
He be the fuck up. See, don't put you for trouble.
Oh,
so like this now, the girl poison the drink where they drink. He sleep, forget himself. He pack everything, including his phone, chapa, carry everything. So like this now, 2 days ago, he come out from prison. See another person even they threaten to arrest her. You know that kind of thing now. Your phone, because see, momo phone are live. And according to himself, even talk say the SIM card, you know, if you retrieve the SIM card based on say that time no be name when you use to register the SIM card. Say the thing don't even frustrating live. Saying so, they spend money from one case to another. Like this now, this thing touch me. And thought say every time when they call the girl, say the girl no agree picking call, all those kind of things. Like you get as it be. So chairman, more just see how we fit just take help you for our own efforts. Carry your phone call. See, let me put the girl number here. I'm going to call her.
Go carry girl there. Don't get wife for us.
Yeah, how you go do?
Abandon your people then for house. Japa.
See the girl number.
Name be this. Hello, Alpha. Good evening. Actually, my name is Richard, and I just came back to state. So, I needed a girl around because you know the rain. Because of this rainy season now, and everywhere is just cold. I just need somebody around. So I don't know if you're available. A good friend of mine gave me your number.
A good friend of yours?
Yes.
And where did the person know me from to give you my number?
Actually, I don't really know, but I think maybe the person knows you very well.
Okay, so what do you want from me?
Yeah, I just want to carry you for a night. Nothing more.
A night?
Yeah.
So how much can you pay?
It's not how much I pay. There is money. Just tell me your price. I'm going to pay you off.
Okay. I don't collect much. Just give me 250.
Oh, you don't charge much and you're saying it's 250. Do you know that is money for one plot of land?
Do you know I'm not coming to stress myself there?
Yeah.
It's not much.
You are coming to stress yourself, but it's not that. I'm also stressing my own self also because I'm the one doing the main job there.
Which main job are you doing? I'll be the one writing you. And here you're telling me 250 is not much.
Wow, okay. No problem. The 250 is not really a problem, Sha, but you just guys consider because that is money for one plot of land. But anyway, Sha, let me just do it now. So what is going to happen after the call? I'll send you my location so they can come and trace me up. Okay, no problem. Nice doing business with you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Criminal where they charge 250,000. He never had to thief people things wrong. I beg, if you come, Mona watch her where me no carry my team japa because that girl I no trust her. Say she even dey stand say she's the one to ride. She say now she go ride me. Who you want ride? I look like bicycle where you want ride. I look like keke. You just imagine talk. So chairman, after this video now, mo just wait if she go come. If she go come, your own good luck. We go try settle the matter. But if she no come. But at first I know. Thank God say your people go see this. You tell your wife about this thing.
No.
Okay,
no,
never. Okay, no tell am. You hide am. You dey kill yourself. She go see the video now. Okay, no wahala. She go see the video now. So that now after you don settle with this one, you need to go house, go settle and knock his.
Now wetin I dey reason like this. Only the video when go see now the reason like this.
Okay, only the video. And now wetin they talk now. When you don settle this one finish, you go come see go house, go explain, give your wife wetin been dey find for outside. Rain dey fall, cold day. You know if you go do your wife for house.
Wetin I can't talk.
I don't want to concern me. So guys, please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to click your share button, please. So stay on this video and watch out what is going to happen. We pray, let the girl come. I'm sending the location for after this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay jiggy, guys. Done the video. Hello?
Yeah, I'm at your location. Come on.
I wish. Is that my location?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming out to. I'll come and pick you now.
Okay.
See, enter inside. Change my bed. Enter inside. I don't get strength to push you person. Enter inside there. Mago picker. Yeah. Mrs. Victoria. It's how much this one you are standing. Come and sit down now.
Thank you.
Just come pass here.
Just want to keep me standing.
Why would I keep you standing? Am I paying first or
Pay before service.
pay before service? But that 250k much.
It's not much.
It's
I know
much.
It's not much.
Hey. Okay. Come here, come on. Which bank are you backing with?
UBA.
Come here, come on.
212 55 64 252.
Okay, I've sent the money.
Alright, thank you. I've seen it.
Jesus. Victoria, where is my phone?
Stop.
No,
Let me see.
Chema, leave am first.
Set your phone.
Leave am first.
Set your phone.
Chema, leave am first.
Give me.
I'm sorry.
Get my
Wait,
phone.
Chema,
Give me. Get my
no,
phone.
wait first.
This guy don't get sense.
Get my phone.
Leave me.
Wait first. Calm down first.
Guy, you know what you pass through? Huh? Guy, leave me now.
first.
No.
Wait, first, guy, now what you know? Who's that good at the come
Guy, the best.
Calm down first.
Come on, John. Let's be this.
You know this guy.
You know this guy they
Guy,
have
the best. The best.
You know this guy, what they want to do?
I'm not doing anything for you. Guy, the best.
Come on,
The best.
You know this guy they have? You know this guy?
Get my SIM card. Huh? Get my phone and my SIM card.
Wait!
Huh?
They can't
See, you don't make me go. You don't make me go.
Wait first. Calm down. I question this girl.
Wait,
No.
I'm sorry.
Guys, who's that go over?
Guys, the best.
Guy, calm
No,
down.
the best.
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Wait, who's that message? Come on,
No.
You know I'm.
No, at the best.
No.
When SIM card there?
I will check it out, Tom.
Which one is?
They do continue.
Please, I'm so
I don't know if this is
Sis, man, leave am down.
If they look up, is it a rob then or you get mad?
It's person property.
Is it a rob then?
Should be at the best.
They won't help you.
Guy, the best. Where's my phone?
See, guy, no beat this girl.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
No beat this girl.
Where's my phone?
No beat
Leave
this
my man,
girl.
you can't complain. You can't see.
Where's me now? Leave me now.
Leave her,
Go,
leave her.
go, please. Go, please. Come on.
Where's my phone? Huh?
Na me send her work.
Oh.
Na me send her work. Shema, wait.
Wait,
No
you
beat
do
this
something.
girl.
No.
No, hide from my
Where's my
phone.
SIM card? Where's my SIM card? Where's my SIM card? Come.
See,
Why?
see, smart, calm down.
Why
Smart,
you
calm
do
down.
that? Yo,
Come.
Wait,
Where's my phone?
wait.
leave my man with that. How can you do this? Leave my door. Who can do this?
Leave me.
Calm down
No,
now.
you don't see everything.
Na me send you go carry ashawo.
Okay, if I say
Whether na bad
just
thing.
do something for life. Rain for the bad thing.
Na bad thing.
Guy.
Wait, they want to leave my door.
Ask some
Where's
question.
my SIM card?
Who's
Where's my SIM
saying
card?
Calm
No,
down.
maybe that's some. Maybe that's some. Maybe I collect and give you.
Where is
Aja.
the card?
I'll
Based
look
on
for
your
it. I'll look for it.
Based on your
I'll
respect.
look for it. I'll look for it.
Who's time?
Please, I'll look for it. Please, I'm.
But wetin enter your mind? Wetin enter your
Nah.
mind?
really
Where you
sorry.
go collect
Please, I'm
person?
sorry. I'm sorry.
That's
It's
what
work
we
of
want.
the devil. Please, I'm
That-
sorry.
devil, I will
Please,
kill.
it won't
Waka.
happen again.
Devil.
Please, I'm
You
sorry.
and the devil now. Who be devil now?
Leave her, no.
No be you be the devil now.
George.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Please, I'm sorry.
Guy, move down to face. Where you say? Why you go to my face?
Why you gonna leave his wife for us? Why you gonna leave his wife? You dey mad? You dey mad? You dey wife?
He say wait, he drop the phone.
I throw it away.
He throw wetin?
I throw it away.
Jesus! Oh, Jesus! This guy don't finish me. This guy don't finish me. Oh, Jesus! This guy don't finish me. This guy don't finish me. You say what? Hey, God, if you send me from this one again, I will never call him from again. Oh, God! Oh, this guy don't finish me. I don't know what to do again. No. Oh, Jesus!
Hold on. Okay, wetin go happen now? Calm down. See for your next life. Relax. Okay, wetin go happen now?
You get wife for house. You still dey carry cup. When this guy come down, I wait till they go.
See,
No.
this issue,
No.
dey simple for you to settle.
No.
You for call her. You for call her.
That's
yourself.
so God the one.
Okay,
That's
so
so God the one.
We'll bring her for you to kill her.
No, you don't bring her for me to kill her.
Yeah, respect yourself.
That God make me see her.
God make me see her.
So why you wan kill am for here wey we dey?
I don't go back again. No. Thank God, no. People they give me up.
See.
Thank God, I go do.
Wait, why you go to waste in card?
See.
Wait, why would this wait to say them man? Why would this wait? Why would this wait?
Come on, leave her.
This guy na thief. Allow me to meet him.
Why you go to this card?
We go go your house. We go your house, no go search. Since you thought say you don't know where you drop her, may go search. You don't collect the phone.
Yes.
Now your phone be that.
This one not be my own. As I see this one for her now, I collect. Not be my
Okay,
phone.
no be your phone be that.
Yes.
Don't be
Not be my phone.
So now waiting. Do that 12 now.
I don't marry this one now.
Hold that one first. Don't be leave one first. Me see your
See, your house far away from here.
Fine.
Okay, your house far. Okay, smart. Find my phone, make we book goods. So we carry us to go your house. You don't collect our phones, abi?
Yes.
Make you no call person for room, make they come attack us.
Her phone dey with me.
Okay, no wahala. No wahala. Find my phone for me. Find my phone. So guys, we are going to cut the video for here. We are going to go and look for the SIM card. So it's time for watching this video and staging.
Boy.
More they go see. More than no Peter again. More than no Peter again. More than pass. Share, don't watch Amabi. You like Amabi? Just help me share. Click the share button. Share. Click the share button. Now I beg. I dey beg. This is I dey beg you. Click the share button. Nothing did there. The water go. Just click on.